Hey everyone! Today we're solving a GMAT word problem involving probability and careful counting. Let's break it down step by step. First, take time to read the question. Now, we need to identify how many bars are not expired. That's 12 total bars minus 3 expired, which leaves us with 9 good bars. Now, since the customer picks 2 bars without replacement, we'll multiply the probability of picking a good bar on the first try, and then the probability of picking another good one on the second try, assuming the first was good. We multiply these probabilities because both events must happen. The first bar and the second bar must both be not expired. In probability, when we want the likelihood of 2 independent or sequential events both occurring, we multiply their individual probabilities. The probability that the first bar is not expired is 9 out of 12. The probability that the second bar is also not expired is 8 out of 11, since one good bar is already taken. So, 9 over 12 times 8 over 11 equals 72 over 132. We simplify that to 6 over 11. So, the probability that neither bar is expired is 6 over 11. That's option C. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more GMAT strategies.